Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's my understanding you have a verdict. Please hand the verdict form to my bailiff for my inspection. And Mr. McDonald, please stand with your counsel. Okay, as to the count of murder charged in the indictment, the jury finds the defendant not guilty of the offense of murder, as charged in the indictment, and guilty of the offense of manslaughter. Is that anybody wish to have the jury polled?
No, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, juror number 1 is a foreperson. Is this your individual verdict?
Yes, sir.
Juror number 2, your individual verdict?
Yes, sir.
Juror number 3, your individual verdict?
Yes, sir.
Okay, juror number 4, your individual verdict?
Yes, sir.
Juror number 5, your individual verdict?
Yes, sir.
Juror number 6, your individual verdict?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to the back row. Juror number 7, your individual verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 8, your individual verdict? Juror number 9, your individual verdict? Okay, I got to hear yes. Okay, juror number 10, your individual verdict?
Yes, sir.
Juror number 11, your individual verdict?
Yes, sir.
And juror number 12, your individual verdict?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, on behalf of myself, and you can have a seat now. Is the state going to make any motion regarding his bond on the tampering? Did he apply for community supervision on the manslaughter?
Your Honor, at the time that this came about, we did not anticipate that we would be seeking a lesser included instruction, that we would not have been eligible to make application. We're asking the court for leave to file an application now.
Okay. That's granted. In any request on the tampering bond?
Your Honor, not on the tampering bond, but based upon the jury's verdict, we'd ask that his bond be revoked and he be taken into custody pending sentencing.
Okay.
Your Honor,
Yes.
it's been a difficult trial. As the court knows, this man has been on bond for months and months and months and months and months without any difficulty whatsoever. None. He's paid a bail bondsman. He's been on electronic monitoring, has had not one single deviation. And now the jury has spoken with the charge of manslaughter. There's no reason at all, given the change in circumstances to an extent in his favor, that he not be permitted to remain on bond pending sentencing, which we can do in the normal course of business expeditiously.
Okay. Well, I'm going to revoke his bond on the tampering. I'm going to hold him in custody. He did testify also to abusing a court, but in my understanding it's a second-degree felony, and he's been convicted of the manslaughter. And I'll still consider your arguments on probation next week for punishment evidence, but we'll take him in custody now. Hold him right there. And, okay. As far as ladies and gentlemen of the jury, I want to thank you. I've been at this for several weeks. On behalf of myself and all the Bear County legal community, I know we took your time away from your loved ones, work, family, and we appreciate the service you did on behalf of the state, the defense, and everybody involved. Okay. In addition, the instructions I gave you earlier throughout the trial about not discussing the case with anybody don't apply anymore. You obviously can talk to somebody if you want to. You don't have to talk to anybody if you don't want to. Sometimes the attorneys will ask you questions if we felt we did this right or this wrong. You're free to talk to them. You're free not to talk to them. And in fact, I need to see the letter. There's a, can I see that blue, Tony? Or I want to review it before I send it back to them. The letter from a national show, 48 Hours. There's a letter, and it basically will ask if you want to call them, if you want to speak or not. You're free to do that. You're free not to do it. But I didn't get to review it myself before it goes back to make sure it's... I'll look at this letter before they go back, and if y'all can just wait around for this letter, and again, it's up to you if you want to contact them or not, or including any other medias. Okay? Okay, thank you again. Excuse me.
All rise for the jury.